Hi guys, and welcome to our video about the power of artificial intelligence in marketing. If you want to take your business to the next level, you'll want to catch every single episode of this video. AI marketing offers companies incredible opportunities to better understand and interact with their customers, leading to increased revenue and brand loyalty. In this video, we'll look at how AI revolutionizes the marketing landscape and share some tips and strategies for implementing AI marketing in your own business. So let's start.
Have you heard about AI technology's buzz and its impact on the creative world? It's been taking the world by storm, and it's hard not to come across some fantastic AI-generated art. And with the rapid advancements in the field, more and more startups are popping up, eager to bring AI to the masses. One such company making waves is Movio, an AI video creation platform co-founded by Carnegie Mellon alumni Joshua Zhu and Wen Liang. They started the company in December 2020 to make video production accessible and affordable for everyone. And they're on the right track. With a customer base of over 200,000 people and funding of over $9 million from investors like Sequoia Capital, IDG, Gen Fund, and Baidu Ventures, Movio is undoubtedly making a mark. So what's so special about Movio? It's an online video tool that leverages AI technology to help marketers create professional quality videos with text-to-speech avatars in minutes. There is no need for expensive editing, shooting costs, or even prior video editing experience. With Movio, you get everything you need to take your video production to the next level. Storyboarding, ideas, stylish templates, extensive editing capabilities, and professional publishing. And the best part? You can try the service for free. Head to the Movio website and click on the Try Movio for Free button on the home page. No email address or account is required. From there, you can choose from over 200 templates and 80 human avatars to start your video, add your script in the text or audio, and begin using editing tools. You can also upload your images, videos, or music. One of the standout features of Movio is the ability to add a fully customizable human avatar as a spokesperson for your videos. And that's not all. The editing software is also super flexible and easy to use with 20 language options, creative styles, multi-scene video capabilities, unlimited 1080 pixels uploading, and easy video sharing. Now, while you can try out Movio for free, there are limits to the video production time and a watermark will be added. But for $30 per month, the basic plan gives you 10 minutes of video production, unlimited hosting, automatic subtitles, priority video processing, and the branding kit. And for those who need more, there's the Pro plan for $225 a month, offering 90 minutes of video production, everything in the Essentials plan, and access to the API. And if more is needed, Movio also has an Enterprise option that can be customized to fit your needs. In conclusion, Movio is a game changer in the video production world, offering high-quality professional marketing videos at a fraction of the cost and without the need for extensive video editing experience. Although it's still new technology, it's improving every day, and it's worth giving it a shot. Plus, you won't lose anything by trying it out, so why not give it a go and see if it's a perfect fit for your needs? Are you ready for a revolution in your creative ad process? Look no further than Daydream AI, the cutting-edge artificial intelligence tool designed specifically for ad creatives and agencies. Say goodbye to endless brainstorming sessions and hello to on-demand inspiration for all your content formats, from YouTube viral movies to Instagram campaigns, social media headlines, and advertising landing pages. With a user-friendly and tested interface, you'll have no problem diving into AI-generated creativity. And the best part? You can save all your brilliant ideas in custom folders for easy organization and access. And no more shuffling through stacks of paper or trying to find that one idea buried in your Notes app. But wait, there's more. Daydream has been tried and tested by top companies like Google, WPP, Omnicom, and IPG, and has received praise from creative directors, marketers, and communications professionals. So not only will you have a tool that makes your creative process more accessible, but also the peace of mind that comes with knowing it's been tried and tested by the best in the business. With Daydream AI, you can generate ideas for a wide range of content formats, including YouTube viral videos, interactive digital campaigns, Instagram campaigns, and even headlines for social media, advertising, and landing pages. Whether you're working on a project for a client or trying to come up with new ideas for your own company, Daydream AI is the perfect tool to get those creative juices flowing. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to use. Plus, you can save the ideas you create in custom folders to easily view and organize your results. And with 3 different project support plans, 24-hour unlimited access monthly and enterprise, you can choose the best option for you and your team. What sets Daydream AI apart is that it uses strategic summaries and learning data based on award-winning campaigns to generate ideas. So not only will you get fresh and innovative ideas, but they will also be grounded in proven strategies and tactics that have worked for others in the past. And the best part? It's received positive feedback from creative directors, marketers, and communications professionals who have used it. From a tour of Ford trucks to a viral film of charming toilet paper to a user-generated Instagram campaign for impossible foods, the possibilities are endless with Daydream AI. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to take your ad game to the next level with Daydream AI. This AI tool has already generated some fantastic ideas, from Ford truck tours to impact campaigns for Kleenex wipes. Imagine what it could do for you and your team. Have you heard about Evolop? It's an amazing AI-based tool for creating and managing affiliate stores. And I have to say, I'm pretty impressed with what it has to offer. Think about it. With Evolop, you can have your own affiliate store up and running in just a few clicks, and you won't have to worry about a thing. No inventory, no order management, no customer service, no product sourcing. Evolop takes care of it all. And the best part, you can start earning commissions right away. Evolop works with all affiliate programs, so you can choose products that you're passionate about and that you know your audience will love. And with its advanced tools and features, you'll be able to maximize your commissions like never before. From automatic product imports and price and availability synchronization to artificial intelligence-based content writing, translation, and SEO optimization, Evolop has got you covered. And if you're worried about SEO, don't be. Evolop offers 50 unique SEO optimizations, features, and a full SEO management dashboard. With Evolop, you'll be able to create content 6 times faster and optimize your site for search engines with ease. And the cherry on top, you can get started with Evolop for just $10 a month. That's an unbeatable offer, especially when you consider all the time and money you'll save compared to traditional affiliate website creation. And the best part is, with Evolop, you'll never feel lost or alone in the affiliate world. Their customer support team is always there to help you out, no matter what you need. Whether you're looking for guidance on product selection, help with optimizing your site for search engines, or just have a question about how to use a feature, they're always just a phone call or email away. And you can manage all your sites from one place. That's right, with Evolop, you'll have a single account where you can manage all your affiliate stores, making it super convenient and easy to keep track of everything. Another thing I love about Evolop is that it's constantly evolving and improving. The Evolop team is always working on new features and updates to make sure that their users are always ahead of the curve when it comes to affiliate marketing. So you can be sure that as the affiliate market continues to grow and change, Evolop will be right there with you, giving you the tools and support you need to succeed. So there you have it, my friend. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for creating and managing your affiliate stores, look no further than Evolop. With its advanced AI technology, comprehensive hosting and support, and unbeatable offer of $10 a month, it's the perfect tool for anyone who wants to start earning commissions and building their affiliate empire. So don't wait. Sign up for the 7-day free trial today and see for yourself what Evolop can do. Have you heard about Memorable Ad Maker? It's the fantastic tool that's going to revolutionize the way we create ads. It's an AI-based platform that uses a technology called Creative Intelligence Suite to help marketers create impactful advertisements that are optimized for marketing KPIs, not just photorealism. Think about it. You can now create an ad with just a simple description. Or if you're feeling stuck, the ad tip guide is there to provide some inspiration. And if you want to go extra mile, the booster feature lets you choose from a selection of sample ads to give you that extra push. But that's not all. The tool even gives you predictions on how well your ad is going to perform. It predicts memorability potential, attention in context, engagement potential, and distinctiveness. And you don't have to worry about the quality of the final product. All ads are produced in high definition with either 8K or 4K resolution options. Memorable Ad Maker is a tool that stands out from the crowd. It's not just a simple image generator, but an AI-powered platform that takes into consideration the marketing goals and KPIs of each ad. And let's be honest, in today's competitive market, it's all about creating ads that are not just visually appealing, but also memorable and impactful. You might be wondering, how do I use the tool? Well, it's super easy. You can input a description of the ad you want, upload an image, or use the ad cues guide. And the best part, you can create all sorts of ads, from high-quality photos of groceries to smartwatches, from smoothies to vases. The possibilities are endless. And the early adopters of this technology love it. Bauti Bariso, a marketing professional, says, "As someone who focuses on efficiency and ROI, I have to say this tool is a game changer. Even if you don't end up using the image, you can test ideas in seconds and see if it improves your performance." And Katrina K is just as thrilled. "I'm fascinated with AdMaker because it's not only a robust text-to-image generator, but also a mechanism to analyze those images for impact. It's a great AI-based tool for brainstorming and testing ideas before they go into production." In conclusion, Memorable Ad Maker is a tool that should be on every marketer's radar. It's AI-powered, user-friendly, and helps improve the final product's creative process, performance predictions, and quality. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for early access and see how it can help you create impactful ads and achieve your marketing goals. Have you ever spent hours brainstorming a creative domain name for your new business only to find that it's already taken? Well, have no fear, because Smartynames.com is here to save the day. This fantastic website is an AI-driven tool that generates unique and catchy domain names for your business in just 20 seconds or less. First of all, the domain name search service offered by Smartynames.com is not only fast, but it's also straightforward to use. You must enter a keyword or phrase related to your business, and the website will generate dozens of domain names ideas available for purchase. You can also use custom filters to narrow down your search and get even more targeted results. If you're looking for something unique, Smartynames.com offers unusual alt TLDs that automatically select relevant alt TLDs for businesses. These can be a great way to stand out from the crowd and make your business even more memorable. And if you're worried about the cost of purchasing a domain name, don't be. Smartynames.com offers premium .coms at regular prices, so you don't have to break the bank to get a great domain name. Plus, with domain availability across 500 extensions, you're sure to find something that works for you. Another great feature of Smartynames.com is that it offers social media handle availability. You can check if the domain name you want is available on popular social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. These can be a real lifesaver if you use social media to promote your business. And if you're new to AI, you'll love the Novice, a publication that describes AI in simple terms and provides examples of fun and easy AI things to do at home. This can be a great way to learn about AI and how it's changing our world. One of the things that I love about this website is that it works with trusted partners like Name.com, GoDaddy, and Namecheap to make it easy to find the domain names you're looking for and purchase them directly. And if you're new to the world of AI, you can sign up for the Novice, a publication that describes AI in simple terms and provides examples of fun and easy AI things to do at home. In conclusion, if you're looking for a fast, easy, and affordable way to find the perfect domain name for your business, look no further than Smartynames.com. With its advanced algorithms, unique alt TLDs, and premium features, you're sure to find a domain name that will help your business stand out from the crowd.